name is Anviksha Chetan Sunani. I am studying in UKG. My, my school name is St. Philip Science School in Chandapura.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದಾರಾ ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕರ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಾನಂದ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ್.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance form India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Savia, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Musteshwara statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi temple in Karnataka, Gorakhsal temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
10 Mukhya Upanishad.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitharya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Vataranyaka Upanishad. Taittiriya Upanishad:
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
18 Purana: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Kurma Purana, Garuda Purana, Anni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmana Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brahma Vaivadya Purana, Kadma Purana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, B.D. Jagdish, Sharkandaya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, K.R. Narayan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Jal Singh, Draupadi Murmu.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, China, Pakistan.
Capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Jaipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Ganesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhutan, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Bangalore, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkabellapura, Chikkaduta, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Garnat, Gadag, Assam, Haveri, Kadurgi, Kodako, Gora, Koppal, Manya, Mysore, Mangalore, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Jayapura, Yadagiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. दुर्गाबाई देशमुख, हरुणा सफाली, सुचेतन त्रिपाठी, कित्तूरानी ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಂಡೆ, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಡು, ಜಯಶ್ರೀರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Rajghat, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gold Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Island Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Black Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Names of Ritus.
Names of Ritus: Vasanta Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Sharad Ritu, Hemant Ritu, Shishira Ritu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu Duravan, Chaitra, Vishaka, Jesa, Asara, Shravana, Pradavrita, Ashwarya, Kartika, Magashira, Pusha, Maga, Falguna.
Main agriculture products.
Main agriculture products: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi; Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad; Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai; Chennai Airport, Chennai; Kamakada Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, West Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraja, Krishnuvardhana, Mayura Varma, Amoga Varsha, Matakali Nayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Hakka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Odaya, Kempe Gowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to ignorance exploitation, rights to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya dynasties, Chola dynasties, Hoysala dynasties, Mayura dynasties, Pallava dynasties, Gupta dynasties, Rashtrakuta dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
Nine union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Nagaran, Havar, Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman, Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul; Argentina, Buenos Aires; Australia, Canberra; Russia, Vienna; Bangladesh, Dhaka; Belgium, Brussels; Bhutan, Thimphu; Brazil, Colombia, Bogota; Denmark, Madrid; Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo; Egypt, Cairo; Finland, Helsinki.
Prime Ministers of India.
Friends of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Vivekananda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Murarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, Irim Nasim Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, J. Indakumar Gujjar, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
National symbols.
National symbols: Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. National song: Vande Mataram.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National emblem.
Lion capitals.
National flag.
tricolor flag.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
National book Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Saffron, white and green. Thank you.